Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant Vanguard not initialized error on Valorant. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up services, and then you need to click on one of the tasks here and press basically key V, right? And then VGC will be here, and then you need to right click on it, go to properties. Then you need to make sure that startup type is on automatic and also service status is on running. If it's stopped, then you just need to press start and apply the changes. And after that, you need to restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then the next thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your drivers is basically fully updated. And to do so, on search, you need to just go and write check for updates. And then, as you can see here, I have an update. And then here it will be check for updates button. You need to press that. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And after that, restart your computer. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA. So I just need to go to GeForce Experience. You can download completely for free from official NVIDIA website. And if you're using AMD, I believe there is an app called AMD Radeon for that also. So you need to look for that. And then you need to go to drivers. And if there is drivers that you need to download and install on your GPU, you need to basically do that. And after that, still if the problem persists, then you need to basically reinstall Riot Vanguard. And to do so, first you need to completely close it. Riot Vanguard on your task manager. There should be no basically tasks related to Valorant, Riot Vanguard, or Vanguard or Riot games, right? So you need to end all the tasks here related to that. And then you need to go to installed apps. Then you need to look for Vanguard. And then just uninstall. And after you uninstall, what you need to do here is to just run Riot Client and then just log into your account. And when you will try to basically play the game, it will be not play button but update button. And once you press it, then Riot Vanguard will be automatically installed to your computer, and that basically should fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.